Lesson 1 of the Elements of Mammalogy. This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information or to volunteer, please visit LibriVox.org. Recording by Lawrence Trask. The Elements of Mammalogy by William Ruschenberger. Lesson 1. Mammalogy, the natural history of mammiferous animals. Lesson 1. Classification of the animal kingdom. Comparison of animals. Their division into 4 branches. Characteristics of each of these branches, and division of the vertebrata into 4 classes. Of classification in general. As we have seen when considering the subject of physiology and animal mechanism, the natural history of animals is termed zoology. For the convenience of study, zoology has been divided into several branches, the highest of which is termed mammalogy. This embraces the study of the natural history of all mammiferous animals, man included, and is to engage our attention at present. The number of different animals inhabiting the surface of the globe is so great that in order to study them with ease, it is necessary to establish amongst them divisions and subdivisions. Each of the groups thus formed should be characterized in such a manner as to enable us always to recognize with certainty the individuals which belong to it, and the group should be designated by a particular name. The assemblage of these divisions and subdivisions constitutes what is called a classification. In the classification of animals, the name species is applied to an assemblage of individuals which bear a strong resemblance to each other, and which are perpetuated with the same essential qualities. Thus man, the dog, the horse constitute, to the eye of the zoologist, so many distinct species. Sometimes one species differs considerably from all the others, but in general there is a number of them, greater or less, which very much resemble each other, being distinguished only by some unimportant differences. The horse and the ass, the dog and the wolf are examples. In the natural classifications, the species which resemble each other we unite into groups, called genera, and add to their peculiar or specific name a generic name which is common to them. Thus we say, to designate the different species of bears, Ursus arctos, the brown bear of Europe; Ursus americanus, the North American black bear; Ursus maritimus, the polar bear, etc., and Lacerta agilis, Lacerta ocellata, Lacertus viridis, etc., to designate the various species of the genus Lacerta, or lizard. Each animal has, as is seen above, 2 names which may be compared to the family and baptismal names of men, with the difference that they are inverted in the order in which they are placed. The name of the genus always precedes the name of the species. Those genera which resemble each other most are united into tribes, and the tribes into families. The families are distributed on the same principle into groups of a higher rank, to which the name of order is applied. Finally, the orders are in turn united into classes, and the classes themselves are the divisions of the great branches of which the animal kingdom is composed. Thus, to class the various animals, the animal kingdom is divided into branches, the branches into classes, the classes into orders, the orders into families, the families into tribes, the tribes into genera, the genera into species, which designate assemblages of individuals. The following table shows still better the manner in which the animal kingdom is divided into groups, which in turn are subdivided farther and farther, until all the individuals belonging to the different species are separated from each other. Each one of these divisions and subdivisions of the animal kingdom has a particular name. For example, one of the branches is called the branch of the vertebrata, or vertebrated animals; another the branch of the molluscous animals, or mollusca, etc. The first of these branches is divided into many classes, one of which is known as the class of birds, another the class of reptiles, etc. To enable the naturalist to know whether the animal which he studies belongs to this or that branch or family, etc., it is necessary
Sample complete. Ready to continue?